DevOps is a modern approach to software development that fosters seamless collaboration between development and operation teams. It emphasizes automation, continuous integration, and continuous delivery, speeding up the software development lifecycle. DevOps has evolved significantly over the years. 2009, the term DevOps was coined by Patrick DeVois. 2010, CI and CD pipelines became mainstream. 2011, tools like Jenkins and Docker revolutionized development. 2014, infrastructure as code gained traction. And beyond 2020, AI and cloud-native DevOps practices emerged. DevOps bring many benefits: faster release, improved quality, enhanced collaboration, and reduced cost. However, organizations often face challenges like resistance to change, cultural barriers, and tool integration conflict. As the heart of DevOps is culture, successful implementation requires trust, transparency, and close collaboration across teams. Everyone shares responsibility for delivering high-quality software. Effective DevOps relies on open communication, shared responsibility, and continuous feedback. Collaboration tools and regular meetings ensure smooth teamwork. The PDCA cycle is crucial for continuous improvement. Plan, define objectives, and create a blueprint. Do, implement changes on a small scale. Check, analyze results using monitoring tools. Act, apply successful changes to production. Agile and DevOps work hand in hand. Agile focuses on iterative development while DevOps ensures fast and reliable development. Practices like Scrum, Kanban, and CI/CD integrate Agile sprints with DevOps pipelines for faster delivery. Several tools supports DevOps workflows. Git, it's a version control system. Jenkins automates CI/CD. Docker enables containerization. Nagios provides real-time monitoring. Maven and Gradle automate builds. The future of DevOps is exciting. AI-driven automation, DevSecOps for security, integration, and cloud-native architecture are transforming the industry. Continuous learning and adaptability will be key to success. Netflix is a prime example of DevOps success. It uses real-time updates, scalability, and continuous monitoring to deploy code changes multiple times daily without service disruption. In summary, DevOps revolutionized software development by fostering collaboration, automation, and continuous improvement. By embracing DevOps, organizations can deliver high-quality software faster and more efficiently. Thank you for watching. We hope this session has provided valuable insights into DevOps principles and practices.